Good morning and welcome to the daily morning updates from Xtrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. Yesterday we witnessed the weekly options expiry ending in a positive note. We didn't expect that much rally yesterday in the weekly options expiry, but still the positive momentum continued for the fourth consecutive day in the markets, and we saw Nifty 50 hitting a high of 14,914, Bank Nifty closing above 35,300, which is close to 586 points. The main rally yesterday was in the bank side, and that lifted the market sentiments to go up. The reason for bank stocks to go up, the main reason will be SBI's results which came yesterday, which was a stellar result, and due to that we saw in the morning there are a lot of shorts happening. Due to the stellar results, by noon we saw a good number of short covering happening and the market started going up, and even the stock went up close to 5% high for the day. And apart from SBI, there are other PSU companies which also contributed for the index closing high. Mid-cap stocks also hit a all-time high, and we saw a positive breath as the bull market, as the retail participation, we see much higher interest in the mid-cap stocks. We need to see the FII data. When we saw the detailed analysis of the FIIs data, we found out that FIIs have about 1,937 crores in cash market, and DAS sold close to 768 crores in the cash market. More buying and addition was seen exclusively in the banking side, and we saw a good delivery buy in SBI stocks like SBI, HDFC, Kotak Bank from the FII sides. So what does this lead? What is the trade setup and market setup for the day? Let's go into that. So today morning we are waking up with a positive cues. SGX Nifty, a parallel market which is showing 70-75 points gap up. This is due to the global market scenario also, because the US job data has fallen down, and it's some positive news is coming from the US stock markets, which is propelling the SGX Nifty, and it may propel our Nifty also to open gap up. So the overall market breadth for the day is still positive, and we are closely moving to the 15,000, which is the psychological mark. It may cross today, or it's not crossing today. We need to find a wait and watch, because 15,000 is a psychological mark, may attract huge resistance in that area. So buy and dips is the main strategy. Yesterday also we discussed, when we see the morning session, it was coming down, and we saw buying started happening whenever there is a dip. So this is clearly evident that buy and dips is still working in this market, and the market breadth has not changed. There is a chance of consolidation may happen once it is crossing the psychological mark, or it goes, hits and rebounds. So there is a chance of consolidation. So what are the levels to be watched out for the day? We need to analyze on the F&O data. So when we analyze on the put side, where the put writing, more number of put writing is happening, is 14,900, 14,800 and 14,000. We are seeing more amount of put writing is happening, which indicates the market will go up. And there is a call writing is happening in 15,500, 15,300 and 14,900. So as I said, there will be a chance of consolidation. We need to wait and watch. And the trade setup and the important resistance, support and resistance levels for the day. The main levels we need to watch out for the day will be 14,600 in the support level. Before 14,600, we need to watch out for 14,750. There we have seen good amount of support is getting built up. So 14,750 and 14,600 will be the support level, and the resistance level we can see around 15,100 for the day. In Bank Nifty, 35,000 will be the support level, and in resistance it will be 35,500. So what are the important events to be watched out for the day? The big event today will be RBI's interest rate decision. Most of the monetary policy committee members are all expected to maintain a status quo, that is, they wanted to be with the accommodative stand. But will RBI surprise? We need to wait and watch. There's a less chance, but still we need to watch this news coming up at 10. Our Governor Shaktikantan Das will be announcing the same. We saw good results apart from SBI. We saw good results from Hero Honda Motor Corp. Yesterday we saw the stock again rallying up. Container Corporation, very good results. HPCL and Tata Power. These are the stocks you can watch out for the day too. So important results which is coming for today. It is from Britannia Industries, Mahindra, Punjab National Bank. We can see recently listed Ms. Bector Food Specialties, Cadila Healthcare, Equitas Holding, Future Consumer, Fortis Health. Apart from this, 127 companies are announcing their Q3 results today. We need to watch out for these results also. Important stocks to be watched out for the day: Hero Honda Motor, Vedanta, Biocon, Tata Power and M&M. To know more about the important stocks and the details why we are giving this particular stocks, you can watch out in our Telegram channel, where we'll add more data to that. So just a gentle reminder on the upcoming webinar tomorrow. We are seeing good registrations. So those who are still interested, they wanted to know more about the fundamentals of the stock market and what are the opportunities available, you can log into this free webinar session tomorrow, which starts at 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. It's just a 1 hour session. We wanted to give you the basics. So wishing you all success for the day and have a great weekend. Thank you.